Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google's AI Studio as a beginner. So Google AI Studio will allow you to create your personal AI assistant that can help you in daily tasks or in your work or inquiry or your researches. So like this, I'm on that Google AI Studio. You can simply search for Google AI Studio and you can find this one here. So you can simply go to the Google AI Studio, and from here you can find it's time to build. So you can use Google AI Studio, so you can try Gemini or build with the Gemini API if you want. So I'm going to try Gemini right now. Now you have to continue with your terms and services. Now I accept. Now you have to wait. Here you can see we have just go on the Google AI Studio. So let me explain it really quick. So you can get API key from here. So first thing is Studio, and here is a dashboard where you can find the API key. Actually here the API key plan build and the channel log and the documentation here. If you want to get every details about this AI Studio, so you can find the documentation about this AI for developer. So from here we are on Studio. Now let's talk about the left side navigation section, where it is a chat where you can told that Gemini to what type of AI you just need. So you can go with that, and from here you can find system instruction. You can simply add some system instruction here. So optional tone and style instruction for the model, and you can embed some code at the template of the API. Then you can share it, or you can compare mode here. You can clear the chat, or you can view more action like make a copy or delete the prompt here. Now here is stream. So you can stream real time, so you can talk to Gemini live with that actually the AI. So how you can also get that, or here you can generate videos with VO2, or here is startup app that actually help you to create a perfect AI, that demo apps or your apps here, or FAQ. So here is demo apps like Video Toys, Gemini 95 here explain things with lots of tiny cats. Then you can find magical GIF maker and maps planner. You can find anything like here. So any type of app that you can get. So you can create an app from here, and here is the story. Now let's make AI from here. So from here you can find the token that you have actually. So that much token you have, and you can get this per month. Now here is the actually the AI preview that we are going to use, like Gemini 2.5 and 2.5 have this pro preview or the flash preview. So we can use it actually for free. And here is Gemini 2.0, and it's have three variant here. Gemini 1.5 also have three variant. Then Gamma here. So Gamma actually help you to generate the image and learn LM. So it will actually help you to learn the LM for you. So we are going to get this Gemini 2.5 Pro Previewer, and here is the temperature. Temperature is actually indicating that how much how you want to get the responses. If you increase the file here, so it will give you it will allow that AI to actually make it a more creative result. You can get more creative responses if you want, so that according to your searches or the inquiries. And if you lower this bar here, then it will actually give you the accurate answer, only the accurate answer, without adding any fact or more information or more deep results or researches. So if you want creative answers, so you can increase it, or if you want only a short answer, a short accurate answer to save times, then you can actually decrease that section here. But I'm going to increase it like here. Now tools, structured output, you can add some structured output. It will actually generate structured output by simply click on it, and you can edit it. Here is the code editor where you can use the visual editor also. Now code execution, and you can enable the code execution if you want. So for example, and the function calling here, you can enable it also. So it's not allowing us to enable it, or you can enable one of these from here. So what you want, so grounding with Google search or function calling. So let's you define functions that Gemini can call, or the code lets Gemini use code to solve complex tasks. So you can just enable this, and here is the advanced settings where it is safety settings, so adjust harmful responses settings, so you can edit it. And harassment, you can turn off the harassment, hate, sexual, explicit and dangerous content. You can also adjust this from here. Then add stop sequence, so you can stop the sequence here. Now here is the output length that you want the maximum number of tokens in responses. So how much output will detect it from your token. So I'm going to create list here, so like 10,000, and here it is. So top piece sampling, and here is prompt gallery where you can find the prompts that you can actually use. So you can find this image to receipt in JSON, list recipes in JSON format here, so different quadratic questions. So we are going to use chat prompt here. So prompt gallery, we can go to the prompt gallery, or we can try something big for one form. So I'm going to ask for create an AI that can solve, that can make documentary on different context or so here you can see I have just added the instructions. So here you can see on the create an AI that can make documentary on different contexts or incidents. Also it can do deep researches, and the answer should amaze people and can release dopamine in human brain. So tone should be like professional, and also add some interesting facts. So you can simply click on run or the control or the intro button here. So it can actually use that, it can actually help you to run that AI. So here you can see it is just thinking, so it is expand to view model through. So here you can see the timer here. So here you can see, so you can actually, like, let's conceptualize an AI designed for creating complying documentary narratives. We will call it, they will actually call it this docs AI. So here is all the details, that core capabilities, here it is. So you can transfer all of this, like AI panel, the plan here that actually can create it. So we are going to add something here, like we are going to save it, like if we copy that and paste it here, sorry for that, here we're going to copy this prompt here and we're going to paste it here, and we're going to add that. And from here, so here you will find the code. So get the template API code for your prompts in different languages. So here is the code that you can use to create the Python code here. So there is different language code like Python, Rest, or TypeScript, or AppScript. So you can go with that. So here's the Python. So you can copy it, but before that, make sure that you have created your API key, and don't show your API key in public, or don't share it with anyone. So here it is. Now you can create it, or like open in Colab. So we are going to open it. So we are going to select the time here, and from here open in Colab. It's not opening here. Here it is. So it has just opened here. So Colab the research.google.com here. So here you can see. So from here can add it, and from here you can find all the text here that actually added here. So from here you can find the code here, and you can just get create a prompt to create a perfect AI. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.